Hey, knowledge lovers! Today we're reviewing the Business Analytics Specialization, a practical path that helps you turn raw data into clear business decisions across marketing, HR, finance, and operations. This course includes its respective certification, and it is completely online. The link to access this course is in the video description. Let's dive in. What this specialization promises. This program is designed for business professionals, even if you've never taken an analytics class. You'll learn how analysts describe data, build predictive models, and turn findings into recommendations leaders can act on. Throughout, you'll develop data literacy and an analytic mindset that improves everyday decisions. By the end, you'll know how to frame a business question, gather and structure data, choose the right tool, from simple summaries to predictive models, and communicate trade-offs using plain language and visuals. A final capstone brings everything together with a real dataset and a strategy recommendation. Course 1, Marketing Customer Analytics. This course shows how data supports growth, segmentation, targeting, and measuring what actually drives acquisition and retention. You'll explore common techniques like A/B testing, lift analysis, and basic predictive models to estimate demand and campaign impact. You'll also learn to quantify customer value through lifetime value thinking and cohort analysis. Assignments focus on turning clickstream or transaction data into practical decisions, e.g., which segment to prioritize, which channel produces better ROI, and how to present those insights to a non-technical stakeholder. Course 2, People, HR Analytics. Here you connect data to talent decisions. Topics include hiring funnels, quality of hire metrics, performance measurement, and retention analysis. You'll practice linking people metrics to business outcomes, so HR becomes a strategic partner, not just an administrative function. You'll also discuss ethical use of employee data and common pitfalls, confounding factors, biased proxies. Exercises help you design fair, testable experiments for recruiting and evaluate initiatives like training or incentive plans with evidence, not hunches. Course 3, Finance, Accounting Analytics. This course focuses on translating operational activity into financial insight. You'll work with ratio analysis, forecasting cash flows, and building simple models to evaluate projects. Expect to connect drivers like price, volume, and cost structure to profitability and risk. You'll practice scenario and sensitivity analysis so recommendations survive uncertainty. Deliverables typically include a concise model, clear assumptions, and a short memo that explains not just the what, but the why behind a financial decision. Remember that if you're interested in the course, you'll find the link with the best price in the video description. Course 4, Operations Analytics. Operations turns strategy into execution. You'll learn to model capacity, queues and bottlenecks, estimate demand, and choose policies that reduce wait times and stockouts. Concepts like process mapping, inventory trade-offs, and service-level targets come to life with data. Hands-on work might include building a simple optimization or simulation to compare alternatives, e.g., staffing levels or reorder points. The focus is on framing constraints and using numbers to argue for the most reliable, cost-effective plan. Capstone, Business Analytics Strategy Project. In the capstone, you apply what you've learned to a realistic, messy data set. You'll cleave the data, explore patterns, build a small predictive or explanatory model, and create a recommendation aligned to a business objective, growth, cost, or risk. The final package usually includes a structured workbook or notebook, visuals that tell the story, and an executive-style summary. Peer review simulates stakeholder feedback, pushing you to sharpen both analysis and communication. My honest take: this specialization is strong on practicality. Each domain course hits real use cases, and the capstone pushes you to produce stakeholder-ready work. It won't turn you into a data scientist overnight, but it will upgrade how you think and communicate with data, exactly what most organizations need from business leaders. All of these courses can be taken without having to pay for each one, simply by acquiring the Coursera Plus subscription that offers more than 7,000 courses by only paying a monthly or annual fee. The link with the best price will be in the video description. Until next time, knowledge lovers.